Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the chat with PDF project. Okay, so let's upload any PDF and then click on the upload button. So it will open the chatbot. User have to ask the question like hello, welcome to chat with PDF, how may I help you? So we have to write which file I have uploaded. So the bot will think and they will reply. It will take bit time. Like based on the information provided in the question, it appears that you have uploaded a PDF file name docs vlm ein latest.pdf. So user have asking the question like what this file is about. Then bot is thinking. It will give the reply like the file appears to be related to the VLLM like vision and language learning with machine framework, which is a toolkit for building vision and language models. Like it will give the complete description about the file. Okay, I'm just asking the different question. How to load LLAM2 model in VLLM. Okay. So the model will think and it will give the reply. Okay, it will give the complete explanation, and we have to follow those steps to load the model. Okay, just asking the different question. Show me command to load OpenAI server. Okay, so the model will think. It will give the reply. Okay, it gave the reply. Like to load the OpenAI server, you can use the following commands. So these all are commands listed. Let's give another message. What is Langchain? So bot will reply like based on the provided content, I couldn't find with a direct answer to the question what is Langchain. However, I can provide you some relevant information that may help you understand the term. Can use Langchain with VLLM? If yes, then how? And model will think and it will give the reply. Like sometime it will take more time to think, and if the answer is a bit less difficult, then it will give the less time. Okay, it will give the reply yes, you can use a Langchain with LLM. It will give the complete description. Just click on the home button and choose another PDF. Okay, mostly final report. Like click on the submit button. Okay, like hi, welcome to chat with PDF, how may I help you? So I'm giving the question which file I have uploaded. The model will think and it will give the reply. Like based on the provided content, you have uploaded the mostly final report.pdf file. Who are students? Sorry. what is this file about, and just write question mark. The model will think. Okay, based on the question, it will give the reply. Like based on the content of the file you uploaded, it appears that file is a project report for computer science or information technology project. Okay, which student are part of the project. It will give the answer also, like based on the project content, the following students are part of the project. Who is guide? Like I'm just developing that demo model. Which university? Like based on the provided content, the university where the project was submitted is. Give me the name of chapters from that report file. So it will give the complete chapters. These are the name of chapter in the project report. Explain me chapter 2, as I am 5-year-old kid with story. So model is thinking. It will take time and then it will give the reply. Okay, so it will give the complete reply, give the message in the story format. Okay, this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.